Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I take pleasure leading you to the domain English Easy Steps. Today is day 9. The previous session threw light upon the convention 2 related to the inflections of the voiced consonant D. Now, let's discuss the convention 3. It states that if a base verb or root verb ends in an unvoiced or voiceless consonant sound, then its past tense form, though formed with a suffix ed, will be pronounced t. T. ஒரு பேஸ் verb அல்லது ரூட் verb ஓசையற்ற மெய்யெழுத்து ஒலியில முடிவுற்றால் அதோட past tense form ஈடிங்கிற சஃபிக்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு முடிஞ்சாலும் அது டீன்னு தான் ஓசையற்ற மெய்யெழுத்து ஒலியா உச்சரிக்கப்படும். The set of examples given here may be helpful to you in understanding the concept well. Here, 6 sets of examples are given. Each set has 3 base verbs. But in the case of th, it, we could get only one example. Okay. The list of examples has 4 columns. The first column shows the sound of the voiceless consonant in which the base verb ends. The second column depicts the concerned base verb. The third column portrays its past tense form, while the fourth and last column manifests how it is pronounced. Example set 1. P. 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 Ip. P. P. Ip. P. CLAP. Clap. CLAPPED. 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 Not clapped. It must be pronounced clapped. T sound. Clapped. Clapped. ZIP. 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 ZIPPED. 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 Not zipped. 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 Next. SHOP. Shop. SHOPPED. 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 Not shopped. It is shopped. Next set of examples. CH. Cha. Cha. Ich. Cha. 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 Ich. Cha. MATCH. Match. MATCHED. 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 Not matched. Match. T sound. Matched. Matched. WATCH. Watch. WATCHED. 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 Not watched. Watched. T sound. SWITCH. Switch. SWITCHED. 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 Not switched. Switched. T sound. Switched. Next set of examples. K. 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 Ik. K. 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 Ik. K. WALK. Walk. WALKED. Walked. Not walked. Walked. T sound. Walked. BWK. Book. BWKED. Booked. Not booked. 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 T sound. Booked. TICK. 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 TICKED. 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 Not ticked. T sound. Ticked. Ticked. Next set of examples. F. 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 If. F. 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 If. F. STUFF. Stuff. STUFFED. Stuffed. Not stuffed. T sound. Stuffed. Stuffed. BRAEF. Brief. BRAEFED. Briefed. Not briefed. Briefed. T sound. Briefed. LAUGH. 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 LAUGHED. 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 Not laughed. LAUGH. T sound. Laughed. Laughed. Next, no set. Only one. TH. 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 It. Th. 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 It. Th. UNEARTH. 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 unearthed, 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 not unearthed, T sound, unearthed, unearthed. Next set of examples, S, 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 is, sa, 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 is, sa. MISS, miss, MISSED, 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 not missed, T sound, missed, 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 missed. PASS, pass, PASSED, past, not passed, PAST sound, past, past. FIX, fix, FIXED, 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 not fixed, not fixed, fixed, fixed. Next set of examples, SH, 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 ish, sha, sh, sh, ish, sha. PUSH, push, PUSHED, pushed, not pushed, PUSHT sound, pushed, pushed. WASH, wash, WASHED, 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 not washed, washed, T sound, washed. Next, FISH, fish, FISHED, 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 not fished, T sound, fished, fished. Hello friends, in the fourth and final part of the voiced consonant D, இப்போ முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. I am very happy about it. இதில் கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன், சஜஷன், கொஸ்டின் இதெல்லாம் இருக்கலாம். அதை இன்னொரு சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் பார்க்கலாம். Okay, we shall meet again after a couple of days. Till then, goodbye.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.